¿Qué? Sacar el coche para arriba. ¿Sí? Tu garaje está para arriba. Sí.
Chicas, la barranquera se fue. Mira, mira cómo está. Horrible. Qué miedo, tío. A ver, chicos.
Hostia, el coche, ma. El coche se está
Mira,
yendo.
mira, se está yendo, se está yendo.
El coche.
Pop, el coche.
El coche se va para abajo. ¡El coche! Callen, callen. ¡Ay, el coche!
¡Yes! ¡Yes! ¿Quién está ahí? ¡Papá! ¡Papá! ¡Que se baje el coche!
Пластиковый океан. Еще один. Нет.
Но купаться я сегодня не пойду.
Ну, ты успел искупаться утром. Это ужас.
Еще там мусор вон какой-то. О, машина.
Машина! Какой кошмар.
March 3rd, 2025. A day that will be remembered as the moment nature unleashed its fury upon the Canary Islands.
¿Qué dices? ¡Tío!
The unimaginable has happened. The beautiful coasts of Telde are now drowning under relentless torrents of water. Flash flooding has struck with devastating force. Streets have turned into raging rivers, and the power of the elements is on full display.
Mejor tenerlo fuera que...
No, no, el garaje, bro, el garaje.
¿El garaje?
Que se está
The eastern part of
metiendo
Gran
fleje.
Canaria, specifically Telde, has been
Bro.
experiencing some of its most
El
tense
garaje
and
nuestro.
perilous hours.
El garaje.
Several ravines, unable to contain the force of the water, have overflowed.
De loco, tío. ¡Yes! ¡Yes!
What was once a light drizzle escalated into an all-consuming deluge, bringing chaos to the region.
Toma por saco, tío. La polla. Al final lo va a llevar al barrio.
Local authorities report that rainfall could start to subside between 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. But for many, the damage has already been done. Witnesses describe terrifying scenes, vehicles swept away like mere toys. In Salinetas, the sea has claimed yet another victim. A car, battered and broken, was carried off the road and into the raging waves.
Там мусор вон какой-то. О, машина.
Машина! Какой кошмар.
Ravines have become violent, overflowing torrents. Sewers are overwhelmed, unable to withstand the sheer volume of water.
Esto en el Caracol. Se están llevando los coches, el río, el barranco. Está la carretera cortada, no creo que den bajar por.
Motorists stranded, roads submerged. Telde is facing a full-blown crisis.
Joder, tío. Joder. ¿Qué pasó?
Despite the widespread destruction, there is a small relief. So far, no serious injuries have been reported, and emergency services are on high alert, monitoring the situation closely. The most devastated regions include the Telde coastline and the Las Bachilleras ravine. Neighborhoods such as Santidad have been hit hard, with homes at risk and infrastructure collapsing under the pressure of unrelenting rainfall. The GC1 motorway, one of the most crucial transport routes heading south to the island, is now impassable near the El Goro industrial estate. Traffic has ground to a halt, and authorities are urging drivers to avoid the area at all costs. Telde City Council has issued an urgent warning. Residents must stay indoors and avoid unnecessary travel. The streets are no longer safe, and venturing outside could prove dangerous. Emergency services are working tirelessly to contain the situation and prevent further escalation. With rainfall rates reaching up to 30 millimeters per hour, coupled with the potential for severe thunderstorms, Telde remains in the grip of an extreme weather event. Extreme weather patterns have become more frequent and unpredictable, raising concerns about climate change and its long-term effects on the Canary Islands and beyond. If you found this report helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for real-time updates on major global events. Leave a comment below if you're in the Canary Islands or have loved ones affected by this disaster.